and take out page 6. Okay, first of all, write here homework and date. Today date is 25 May 2021. Now these are patterns and the question is trace the patterns following the given arrows. This one line is called horizontal line. You will trace these horizontal lines very carefully. Follow the dots like this. आपने सारे लाइन्स को सेम इसी तरह के ट्रेस करने हैं. Now this one line shows this one line is called vertical line. It's called vertical line. सारे आपने लाइन्स इसी तरह के ट्रेस करने हैं. And now the third one is slanting line. Slanting line like this. आपने ये पेजेस, ये वाला पेज नंबर 6, 7, 8 and 9 ये आपने सारे ट्रेस करने हैं. This is your written homework. Okay, so you will do this 6 number page, 7, 8, 9. These are your written homework. But this page number 3 actions, just you will learn these verbally. आपने सिर्फ इसको जो है वो verbally याद करना है. Thank you.